Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss about A Doxid capsules. What is its generic name? Which company is manufacturing? Its price? What category of drug it is? Its dosage form? Its uses? How to use? Its side effects? Alternative and substitute? How to store? So let's go. Its generic name is doxycycline capsule IP 100 mg. It's manufacturing by Iskon Pharma. Its price is 31 rupees. Category: doxycycline belongs to the class of medicine known as tetracycline antibiotics. It's work by killing bacteria or preventing their growth. Dosage form: A Doxid is a capsule form. Uses: A Doxid 100 mg capsule is used in the treatment of bacterial infection and technique. It is used in the treatment of common community acquired bacteria infections such as those of a skin and soft tissue. How to use: as directed by the physician. Its common side effects: some side effects like vomiting, nausea, rashes, headache, fast heart rate, hypotension like BP. Its alternative drug is Doxy 100 mg capsules, Doxylin 100 mg, Toxin 100 mg, Orcillin 100 mg, etc. Store: its store belong 25 degrees Celsius in a cool and dry place. Keep it out of the reach of children. Warning: this medicine will not work for colds, flu, or other virus infections.